everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your user ID on MEXC application. To find your user ID on MEXC, first of all, go ahead and open the MEXC app and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into MEXC, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar or your icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you will be able to find your user ID right under Set Nickname and right next to your email address. Your user ID will be displayed in 8 letters right next to UID option, where you will be able to tap on it and copy your user ID. That is how you easily find your user ID on MEXC application using your mobile device. Make sure to keep your user ID secure and avoid sharing it with unauthorized individual. So that's how it's super easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.